Once you click in the pre-reading, then you'll be able to see the directions. Now, the main purpose of the pre-reading is just to get you to open the book, to read it, and to give you sort of a way to organize as you're reading the book. Now, your pre-reading has to be handwritten. That means that you must do everything on paper, and then when you turn it in, you're going to take pictures of your pre-reading and post it into Canvas. Now, how you do your pre-reading is up to you. There are a few choices how you can do it, and the links that you see here have a deeper explanation of what to do or how to do it. For example, you could do an outline, you could do a storyboard, you can do flashcards, um, you could do Cornell notes, make up your own quiz. But whatever you choose, you must have these things in there so that it can be graded. So first of all, you're going to need to write down your titles and subtitles, and you're going to want to make sure that you highlight those. You want to make sure that you include objectives, and you want to make sure that you separate that somehow from the titles and subtitles. So I put in here in red or in some other color. Um, if you don't have colored pencils or you don't have colored pens, just find a way to make sure that it looks obvious when I look at it that this is an objective versus a title. And then you want to make sure that you have at least 3 bullet points for each of the sections. And that should be done in black or blue ink, or it's up to you. You can make it just slightly different um, so that I can tell what's what. Um, if you're not sure what to write in your bullet points, then here are some examples of the things you can write. The name of a theory, the explanation, maybe a researcher's name and what they accomplished, some random fact that you saw that stood out to you, maybe a study that is described in that section, or anything else that is covered within the section. And then separately or on a different page, you're going to find at least 10 of the terms and definitions. And again, you want to highlight those. The term should look different than the definition so that I can just look at it quickly and know exactly what I'm looking at. And then finally, you're going to answer the feedback questions. And the feedback questions, if you answer them like just typed up, that's fine. And I'll show you in just a minute how that might look. But before I do that, I want to sort of show you the rubric, what I'm going to grade. If you turn anything in, even if, it doesn't look great or it's not super complete, the minimum you're going to get is 20 points. If you did the color, the change the highlighters, etc., like that, you're going to earn the 4 points. If it looks organized, another 4. Uh, the key terms look different than definitions, another 4. If you include some graphic or drawing um, or a chart out of the book, something like that, that'll be the next 4 points. Here, the rubric, I just put it kind of like a checklist. If you have this, then that's how many points you're going to get. And I think that's just sort of the easiest way to do that.